over here you've got the remote that controls the phase. I'll explain now what A, B, and C are. Over here is the control unit, which plugs in right into the 12 DC port, 12V DC port, cigarette lighter. Over here you got the cables to connect the stealth plates to the computer unit, and then over here is the light indicator. Now this is optional, you can use this or just not use it. Basically what it does is, once your plates are activated and the sheet is rolled down, you'll see blue lights come up, so that means your plates are covered. And if the lights are not on, then your plates are uncovered. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to install it. So basically you don't need any tools, it's just very simple. Right now I have my stealth plate connected to the computer unit. I have it plugged on A. I have the light indicator plugged in here. You can see there's an icon for the light indicator. All I do is plug that into the DC port, cigarette lighter, start the ignition on. You'll get a beeping just to show you that it's actually working. So now I have it plugged in A. All I need to do is click on A. That's about it. Click on A back again. It's up. Now in case you lose the remote, we can send you another one. But just to let you know, you can also press it over here. And you can choose where to put the computer unit. Personally, I recommend to installing it from the trunk, okay, and passing the wires through under the seats so it's hidden and clean. Plug it into the 12V port, same thing if you do it up front, and that's about it. Go to 510autogroup.com, get your stealth plate now.